How far into the future do you want to go? It will be a future where AI becomes more human and humanity becomes more artificial. There will be Tesla bots climbing up buildings and sent to the moon. AI chatbots guide people through lucid dreams, a dream that they can control. Tunnel diggers are building an underground city on Mars, and fusion energy is used to power floating ocean cities and rotating ring space stations. It will be a world where humanity officially becomes a multiplanetary species. There will be lunar hoverbikes, astronauts that enter cryosleep, and astronomers are predicting the locations of possible wormholes. There will be time cloaking devices where the speed of light is slowed down to create invisible time. And the advanced knowledge of black holes has created the technology for planetary data storage. And micro black holes are grown in laboratories enclosed in mini Dyson spheres used for energy harvesting. The biological and information age of mankind has ended. What we have now is the singularity. When technology moves too fast for humans to predict what will happen next, let's take a journey into the future and see what technology is waiting for us. SpaceX launches 2 starships to resupply the International Space Station. Millions of AIs are living as digital twins in protected virtual worlds and simulations, training for faster development before being released into the real world. Miniaturized organs are 3D bioprinted used for testing individual medical responses before real-life administration. AI chatbots guide people into achieving and maintaining lucid dreams, a dream that they can control. These dreams allow a person to explore past experiences, alternate timelines, and reconstruct lost and fragmented memories. The Lunar Starlink mission launches. A Starship is heading to the moon and will deploy 5 Starlink satellites for the lunar base. 5 space stations orbit Earth, and 1 space station, the Lunar Gateway, is operational around the moon. SpaceX launches a Tesla bot. Lunar One is sent to train and work at the moon base. Biohackers implant DNA storage devices into themselves. Digital data in the format of binary code is converted into DNA sequences and stored on a DNA molecule that is built from scratch. 215 petabytes, 215 million gigabytes are stored on a single gram of DNA. Theoretical physicists advance the understanding of dark energy, wormholes, and black holes, bringing to life the possibilities of creating faster than light travel and technologies that can create, stabilize, and navigate wormholes, technology that would be from a Type 3 galactic civilization. A team of robots land on Mars and are building the Mars base for the future arrival of humans. These robots that are fixing, fueling, and sheltering themselves are the first to colonize Mars. Humanoid robots and human police officers patrol the city streets. A molecular digital camera captures ultra-high resolution images of cells and tissues as it travels inside human blood vessels. Molecular electronics are created using chemical reactions and single molecules. A small-scale permanent fuel production factory goes online on Mars. It combines CO2 from the air with hydrogen from the ice water to create methane rocket fuel. The CO2 is then used to produce CO2-rich fuel for the return journey. A Mark II Starship is test-launched into Earth's orbit. It is double the diameter with 4 times the internal space of the original Starship, paving the way for larger space telescopes, space habitats, and larger construction machines to be launched into space. When humanity is able to reach out and hold the sun in their hands, it powers our sun and the stars we see. More countries expand into building fusion energy capabilities, creating unlimited clean energy, pushing humanity closer to becoming a Type 1 civilization and paving the way for energy-intensive super projects. Humanity can power large-scale desalination plants, turning ocean salt water into fresh water. There is endless energy for space debris cleanup and space construction. Plans are created to build a rotating ring space station, and there is the threat of powering kinetic bombardment, large heavy objects that are dropped from orbit to strike targets on the Earth's surface with the kinetic energy of a meteorite strike. Humanity can generate artificial global climate control. Cities can be built in the Arctic, and fusion is used to cool the ground to prevent the melting of permafrost. Out in the oceans, there will be massive floating cities, and the construction of underwater habitats and terraforming begins. SpaceX launches the first parts of their orbital cryofuel station. The starships can be repaired at the station and will never have to return down to the surface. On Earth, the robot population overtakes the human population.